Sexy.
Fuck, I love car guys.
Oh shit, my man's going for it. Oh, he wants to race. No, buddy, sorry. I like my license. What's up? Sure. One more. Fuck, that thing's nice. I gotta ask him what he did to it.
Yeah.
What do you have done?
Intake, downpipe, and a custom tune.
Nice.
25
awesome.
pounds.
25 pounds? Nice.
Stock tires.
Do you know what kind of horsepower?
It's up there. I think it's like 300 up there.
Fuck, dude, that's nice.
You just have the tune?
Huh?
You just have the tune?
Yeah.
They're all following us.
They are?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'll put a GoPro on. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, yeah. I've never been.
Have the tune?
Yeah.
This is SI, right?
Yep, SI. What do you got? The Sport?
Yeah.
Nice.
The hatch. I didn't want the SI.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why not? Coupe?
I like the hatch better.
Yeah, the hatch.
I don't really like the new.
Yep.
I had a 2016 Civic, but that was the 2.0.
I hear you. Yep.
How was it?
I love it, dude. Just got it 4 months ago. I put fucking 16,000 miles. I'm from New York.
Oh, yeah?
Drive this thing all over the fucking
You guys
place.
just drove down?
Yeah.
What?
Yep, fuck it.
And you in the city or upstate?
Upstate a little bit.
I'm from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn? Nice, nice.
I know you guys have state ref and all that, so.
Yeah, yep.
Here it ain't shit. You do whatever you want. Look, I mean, I usually don't drive it. Like right now, it's open downpipe, but since I'm coming out from here, I came out here because of the car show today. I don't know if y'all went.
Nah, I didn't go.
Yeah, clean culture. I just saw open downpipe just for today though.
Nice, nice. Fuck. The car culture here is a lot better than where I live. I'll tell you that much.
Oh yeah, these are my boys.
Yeah, I got excited when I saw all the cars. I was like, we got to get in here.
Yeah, man, you gotta do some more stuff to this, man.
Definitely, that's the plan.
Crazy though. Nobody expects it from this.
Yeah. No, I thought it was just. I'll be honest. I thought it was just a regular car in traffic, and then I heard it fucking. I heard you give it some juice. I was like, oh, all right.
Yeah, it's 25 pounds right here.
Yeah, I fucking feel you, bro.
It takes it.
Crazy.
That's what's up though, man. I'm all pure oil. I'm going all pure oil.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing that.
Pure Intake, pure downpipe.
Yep.
Custom tune. I'm planning on getting my intercooler and stuff. I want to go bigger turbo.
Yeah, big turbo.
I want to go the whole 9 yards of this car.
I hear you. Fucking nice, dude. Yeah. What year is it again?
This is 2018.
Nice, nice.
It has like about a little over 30,000 miles.
Nice. Awesome.
Damn. Yeah, it's Daytona, so you gotta be a little careful.
Yeah, I saw a lot of cops.
Central Florida.
Yeah?
Yeah, me and my boys, we just drove down.
Nice.
But yeah, here they're a little weird, but
Yep.
especially in this rain, this car torque steers like
yeah,
it's
it
like
does.
Scary.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I saw it.
Torque steers like crazy.
Nice.
That's what's up, man.
That's awesome.
So these are all your boys and shit?
Yeah.
I want to get out and fucking see them.
Come on, man.